My question is, how do I deal with spiritual doubt or weakness?
First thing is that you offer 5 daily prayers and pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala remove all your doubts, whatever comes into your mind. You bow before Allah and you are in sajda position or in ruku. Ask forgiveness for Allah Ta'ala and ask Allah Ta'ala that He should guide you on the right path. Whenever you are reciting Surah Fatiha, you should repeatedly recite, Idina Sirat al-Mustaqim. Idina Sirat al-Mustaqim. Oh Allah Ta'ala, guide me on the right path. Right? And apart from that, you try to increase your religious knowledge. Read the Holy Quran and try to know the meaning of the Holy Quran. And if possible, read the commentary of the Holy Quran. Right? Then you would know that what are the teachings of Islam. How you can come closer to Allah Ta'ala. Right? Then, apart from that, you should also try to read some religious books, especially the books of Hazrat Masih alayhi salam. And for that, how can you be the good person, religious person? Hazrat Masih alayhi salam says, I have written a book, Kishtinu, Ark of Noah. You read that one. That will also guide you. Okay? So it all depends on your own effort.